To join our winning team, get VIP signals for only $150. You pay once, then you're done. It's lifetime. And also you can get MT4 and MT5 signal indicator, which is going to provide you with the signals. Bye. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Today is Thursday. And yesterday we saw the market trying to recover, but that did not go well. Also, we saw the market also pushing a little bit lower, but that was much better because it was Fed interest, actually it's Fed statement, which means they did not say those bad things that to show that they're going to like aggressively cut maybe or increase the interest rates. So that's why we saw the market reacting very not that bad. So I think that is a good sign because maybe the market might start to push up a little bit, but don't just expect the market to go up that way, because inflation is still there. When they increase the interest rate, that is going to also have an effect on the market. So without wasting your time, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what do we see here? We are on a US oil. US oil is been like seriously on bullish momentum. Do you see that? I hope you can see that. It's quite easy. Let me put this thing here, somewhere here. Somewhere here. So when we see that this thing, you can see this thing just created some very nice move. You can see that it's like extremely strong bullish. Just look at this. So this move here, you can see here, it's a very big move. So, but don't just expect the market to push up like to reach anywhere, which even if it's possible. But what you should think is just look at your support areas. If maybe the market is still respecting that, we have a support area here. This is our guide if maybe anything goes, or maybe if something's going to change, because with this is going to guide us. We're going to see it when the market starts to change the direction, maybe to a bearish momentum. When it starts to change that direction, we will be looking and we're going to get it early. Then we can have some very nice sell-off, because I don't think the market will just push up the whole year, even if it does like that. But we're still going to have some small push, maybe to the bottom. Going down, you can see here. So here it seems like the market tried to sell off actually yesterday, but I see another aggressive move pushing to the upside. If you check that, you will see that we have something like an area here, which seems to be some sort of a support. That's why we see the market respected that. Now the market is pushing up. We will only sell when the market is going to break this support area. So let me go on a 4-hour time frame. I don't want to take your time, guys. Just want to make this thing very fast. You can see here on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that, the market, even if maybe the market did not really, even if we see a very strong sell-off, but we can see that the market still respected our support area. So what do we expect? We expect maybe if you saw this early, you were going to have a buy position around this area. Maybe the market will go to the upside. Maybe it's going to break this resistance, push into the upside. Simple as that. Don't overcomplicate things, guys. Make things simple for yourself. So let's move to the next one. Sorry. Please, while I'm moving to the next one, which is gold, please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Just don't forget to smash it. So here we have gold, guys. On gold, everything is quite simple. Let me just use 4 hours time frame so that you can see exactly what it's happening here. Come on, 1 hour. I mean daily time frame. On a daily time frame, yeah. On a daily time frame, we can see that, you know what, the market was, as I used to repeat, the market was on a very, very nice resistance. But guess what? The market broke that, retested. Now the market is going to the moon. I told you about this. I also sent a buy pending order in the group. I hope everyone is eating. Unless, I think maybe we did hit that take profit. If I see there, I think we did hit take profit. Let me check. Because I did send buy pending order day before yesterday around this area when the market was still going lower. Now the market is here. So I think our take profit is somewhere there. So you can see that we had a very, very nice trading. But why we did that is because it was quite simple. You can see that. It was quite simple because we had a resistance. Then the market just broke out of that resistance with a very aggressive move. Then after we see a very nice rejection or a retest happened very, very fast. Only 2 candlesticks. It's 1 and 2. Then guess what? The market respected that. And now the market is pushing to the upside, which is something that I love, because when you say, or when you teach people stuff and they happen the way you said it, it's a very good thing, even if it doesn't happen like always, but it's a very, very, very good thing, guys. So what I'm expecting here, you don't just jump on the market at the moment. Wait for a small higher low, then you can get in the market. Higher low, get in the market. Higher low, get in the market. Something like that, simple as that. You don't need to complicate things. I think everything looks great at the moment. Why? Because we broke out of this resistance, and it's been there for some time, guys. It's been there for some time. So let's move straight to GERMAN40. On GERMAN40, we can see that we have a support, we have a resistance, and now the market is back on that resistance. We can see that this resistance has been here for some time, and it seems to be way too strong. It seems to be way too strong because we have the market here. You can see if we count the candlesticks, they're going to be so many. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at the current candlestick around the same area. And all of them, they are not able to break that area. And if we go back, we will see that the market is, this resistance is been there. It's just a wall, guys. So if this wall is broken, it's where maybe we're going to see the market pushing to the upside. But here you see this was a fake breakout. The market pushed to the upside. Then before the candle close, went very low very quickly. But what I like is, as long as we are at the resistance, we have 2 chances, whether the market is going to break and go to the upside, or maybe the market is going to respect the resistance and move to the lower side. Easy as that. Don't complicate this thing. I think it's quite easy. What you can do is keep an eye on this, because it's easy for the market to break this area, as this resistance has been tested for several times. So I don't think it's going to withstand every test that it's happening here. So, but it's possible the market might still respect that and push to the lower side. If the market is way too strong on bullish momentum, yes, we might see that breakout. But we just need to wait and see. Wait and see. Waiting is a very good, it's part of the strategy actually, to wait. It's a very good thing, because things, they just come while you're just waiting. So while everyone is still struggling doing things, you just wait and things, they just come to you. So now we are on US30. So US30 is also trying to recover. We see that the market is been trying to go up and down, but at the moment you can see that the market is back here. So this type of move, sometimes they will confuse you. But I wanted to show you that you see after that time we had this type of rejection here, the market broke out of that support area. Now the market is back respecting that area as a resistance. So it means we can just do something like this, clear this thing out, because it's no longer that important at the moment. What I see is I see an area around this area. Do you see? Sorry. Do you see this? Do you see that area there? There it's a zone, guys. So I think we can work with that and avoid whatever that is happening here. Why? Because it's old. Now it's way too older. So it's just going there. It's just there just to confuse us. So let's work with what we see at the moment. Let's start from here. We can start from these candlesticks where we see they were respecting, like seriously respecting. You can see when we go back, that really makes sense. We can just cut it here so that we don't go like way too back. Back, we don't have to go like way too back. So it means the best thing that we can do, as long as we can see that we had a zone here. This is a zone, you can see that. So this zone is going to help us to see that, okay, if the market is going to go above this area, we're going to buy. If not, we will see the market pushing to the lower side. And at the moment, we see the market creating some sort of wedge. I don't know if you see that, or let me just use maybe a very small time frame. Let's see. On a bit smaller time frame, we see on a daily time, so on an hour, we can see that actually the market is seriously creating that. You can see and draw maybe, sorry about that. So we can see that the market is actually creating a wedge. So let me just draw double lines so that you can see nicely. Oh, this was supposed to be here. Yeah, I hope you can see. But if you look at the top, we can also see that there is this type of a bearish. I don't know if that makes sense. We can see something like that. But since we have so many lines here, we can just focus on one thing, which I'm just going to focus on this, as I like Trendline, right? I only use Trendline mostly. So this also makes sense to me. Why? Because for me to say maybe the market is going to go crazy high, or maybe to say we now on a buy, we're going to wait for the market to break this resistance. As we can see here, this resistance, then we can say we can buy. Or maybe the market, if breaks this support area, we're going to continue to do what? To sell. Why? Because this is a support area where the market was respecting. But beside that, we just need to wait for the market to consolidate around this area. We just need to wait for the market to consolidate around those areas. So let's go straight to Nasdaq. You can support the channel by clicking the join button below and get exclusive content and daily analysis. You can get free stock and up to 3,500 each, and access zero commission professional trading platform. Link in my description. So what we see is the market really pushed lower up before. You can see here when the market was respecting the resistance. Then from there, the market started reached this area, started pushing up in a very nice bullish momentum. We can see that we know this type of moves. This is a very nice uptrend. Do you see that? So even here, we expect the market to push up, but this is going to create something like a wedge again. Remember, when we buy around this area, we need to get out before the market reaches this resistance, because from there the market might respect that and push to the lower side. But what I love is the market is creating a nice bullish structure inside this bearish move. So it means the market might reach this area and start to move to the lower side. It's possible, but what I want, or what I like to see actually, is for the market to really or seriously break this resistance and to push to the upside. when we can say, you know what, now we can seriously go on bullish, or maybe on an uptrend where we used to, and we can start to buy, because the market has been bleeding, guys. The market is been bleeding for some time. So what we want at the moment, we just need something to recover. We need that recovery. So if maybe we can also draw something like this, you will see that this type of moves, they're quite similar to what we saw on US30. When we draw something like this, you can see that all these higher highs or higher lows, they do connect to each other. So it means, but sometimes there's so many, because these are counter trend lines, and maybe this is actually on a bit smaller time frame, which is an hour. So maybe we can just go on a 4-hour time frame or 2 hours time frame to see the bigger picture. So still, that's still there, but what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the market, I'm looking for this type of moves. When the market reaches this type, I mean this area as our support, mostly the market will just spike to the upside. So that is what I'm looking for at the moment, and I'm hoping that is going to happen. Then when we reach this area, we're going to get out, unless if the market is going to break this area, we're going to jump on it again, or maybe we will see a sell-off where maybe we can sell around this area, let's say 14,700. Around this area, it's where we're supposed to sell, because the market will be reaching the resistance. If the market rejects this and respect this area, it's where we can say the market is going to sell again. Simple as that. Don't complicate things, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye. To join our winning team, get VIP signals for only $150. You pay once, then you're done. It's lifetime. And also you can get MT4 and MT5 signal indicator, which is going to provide you with the signals. Bye.